But here's how commodities are opening up in trade. Gold and silver first, and then the one that's been a worry for us, crude, that has been steadily rising. Gold in the green this morning, crude prices will be up for you next. Kishore Nane joins in to talk about that. Kishore, good morning. There's been a steady increase on crude prices. How are you trading it, and what kind of targets are people talking about?
Mithali, good morning. I don't think there is any fundamental, especially demand-side driven rally in crude prices. Obviously, the the rally came from the Middle Eastern crisis, especially the escalating crisis in Syria as well as in Turkey. So I think this is simply a risk premium built up again happening. But otherwise, fundamentally speaking, both IEA and OPEC has downgraded their demand forecast. So I don't think this would be sustainable rally unless there is any liquidity boost across the world, or there is any substantial deterioration in the Middle East after the election results announcing in Iran. So I think that's where the crude is getting that support. But I would like to see that if the Iran election results goes through peacefully, probably we could see correcting back towards $94–95 on WTI. So I would be selling MCX crude on a strict breakdown below 5630 for the day, and looking for targets close to 5520 with a stop loss of 5680.
Morning, Kishore. Gold has slipped into a bit of a trading range. What kind of trading advice are you giving to your clients?
Very good morning, Udayan. I think again it's been consolidating in that very tight range of 1360, 1370 on the lower side and 1410 on the dollar front. Again, most of the movements in the recent times, especially in the domestic gold, has been caused by currency, not directly from the gold market. So I think if we assume that the rupee is going to consolidate at the current level, maybe given 50 paisa plus or minus, so probably we are looking at the gold again consolidating in between 28,500 to around 27,600. This is the trading range in domestic markets. So for the day, I would suggest to buy gold at around 27,900. Stop losses could be around 27,780, and a target for intraday would be around 28,200.
Thanks, Kishore, for that. Let's hear out some more commodity strategies. When we come back, let's talk more about the bond market and what stock and bond markets are pricing in for the RBI policy today.
NYMEX crude oil has given a neckline breakout above $97 of its inverse head and shoulder formation, and it seems that prices could touch $100 within few days. So at MCX, I would recommend to buy crude oil above 5600 with the stop loss of 5550. Targets would be 5670 and 5680 on the higher side.
Copper prices are likely to edge higher from current levels as prices have formed a strong support at levels close to 404 mark at MCX. Also, upbeat economic data from US, be it the retail sales or initial claims, which was better than expected, is likely to lend support to prices. So our recommendation would be to go for long positions in copper at levels close to 406 levels, keeping a stop in place at 403 mark, and prices are likely to edge higher towards the level of around 415 in near term.
My hot pick is on bullion market, that is gold. Continuously for past 2 weeks, prices trading in between the range of around $1370 to $1400, $1410, which is a very crucial level. In domestic market, the price is showing little firmness because of rupee getting weaker and trading at almost lifetime high. I would recommend you to go long at 27,700, maintaining a stop loss of 27,500, and you can hold long for a target of around 28,250 to 28,350 on higher side, which is the previous stop. So buying on dips on MCX gold is advisable.
We are expecting lead prices to move down and touch levels of around 117 rupees. So anytime rise in prices till 121 or 122 rupees in MCX should be used as selling opportunity, with a stop loss to be placed at 124 rupees on higher side for the initial target of 119 rupees. And if price are able to break and give close below 119, then further sell off can be seen till 117 rupees in next 2 to 3 days.